Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here back with another video. I just got this in. It's a Kotori, Itsuka Kotori from Data Live. This is a Nendoroid 505. I've been waiting for this one to be released. It just got released this month. I don't have any figure from Kotori, so it's nice to actually have one out. And there is another figure coming out sometime next year. I believe it's February, and it's going to be a scale figure of her in a spirit form, similar to this one. So I'm going to pre-order that one for sure, and I'll do a video on it. But this is order from Ami. I've never ordered there before, but it got here in 2 days, which is good. That was using EMS, and that's USPS International. Even though I don't like them, this one got here fast. So here I'm going to give you just of how the box looks, and this is the one I'll probably have her in, and then this one with the staff. If any of y'all seen the anime before, you'll know who this is exactly. If you haven't seen the anime, then it probably spoiled some of it for you, but whatever. Here's the back of it, and then here's the other two ways you can have her oriented, and that's the figure itself. Alright, now just open it and see exactly how it comes and share the experience with me. So that box, I do save my boxes, but I'm gonna throw it over there for now. Get it out of my way. There's a back. Okay. There is how it comes by default. I'm gonna take all the plastic stuff off in a bit. If it focuses, then the staff, her mean face, which is the one I'll have on because it's cool, as well as her cannon. Go. Alright, so I took everything out of the box because I don't want to just record me 2 minutes of just fighting with plastic. So here's Kotori. I took out all that plastic stuff that she has on there, so that's to show you that where you can remove stuff. Here's the face that you can swap out. Here's the two arms. So this one, she actually has an open fist, so you can put her staff there, and then this one, it's just, I guess one of them is for her staff. We'll figure it out. Here's the cannon. Here's the staff. There's the part that goes behind her. And then here's the platform where she'll stand, and then you get to put it anywhere. Here you go, this part. You just put it anywhere, so you can have her standing anywhere on the platform. And now let's put some together, and then I'll show some shots of that. Alright, so overall I really did like this figure. There were some stuff that I had to keep on putting back on, like these little hair extensions that go on each side right there. So you can probably see this one is like, might be falling off a bit. It's only getting held on by the cannon. But I don't know if I just got like a bad one or the holes on it aren't cut out to the exact size, so it doesn't hold them in correctly. So every time I was putting this clear thing on, which goes under the hair, then it kept on making them come off, which was a bit annoying. But other than that, it's still a really great figure. I'm gonna end up putting it in my display case because I don't want anybody to touch it, because then it'll start falling apart on me. But I would really recommend getting this figure if you do really like the anime Date Alive, and of course if you liked Kotori in it, because she's pretty awesome. I do have another figure from Date Alive, Yoshino, which is right here, and I'll be doing an unboxing of that one as well. And I have some other figures going on, so if you really like these, just comment or like, letting me know what kind of figures you want me to buy or do an unboxing of. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.